Hey guys, welcome back to another math video. Today we're going to be comparing fractions again. So today's topic is comparing fractions, as I just said. So our first problem today is which is the largest fraction? And as good mathematicians, we look through the answers and we see if there's any obvious one. So, of course, no obvious answers yet. So let's look through them. And we have a trick again. So let's look for the ones that are easy to compare first. And here, let's make the basis of 1/2. As you can see here, D is exactly 1/2. Let's compare them all to 1/2 because D is literally 1/2. Let's look at C. C is 6/14. But 14's half, as you know, 14 divided by 2 is 7, so the half would be 7 out of 14. Well, this is 6 out of 14, and 6 out of 14 is smaller than 7 out of 14. And here we're looking for the largest fraction, so C is now out. Now let's look at B. B is 4/10, and everyone knows 10 divided by 2 is 5. So if you had this as a 5, then it would be right there. But it's not a 5, it's a 4. So that means this is less than half as well, which is less than D, because D is half. And so, following that, B is also out. A. Alright, so 7 is an odd number. It's a little harder to divide. But 7 divided by 2, I'm just going to say it, it's 3.5. So if we have a 3.5 as a basis, this 2 is definitely less than 3.5 if you learned decimals, which you probably should have. So this is 3.5 if that was half. This here is half, exactly half. So A is out because it's less than half. So the correct answer is D. Alright, so now our next question is, which is the smallest fraction? So now we're looking there for the smaller boy. And we have 4 answer choices again. Let's look over them. 1/2, 3/5, 5/8, and 7/10. Alright, so right off the bat, you can see here that this is well over 1/2. Well, not well over, barely over, but still, it's more than 1/2. So, then we see here that this is literally just 1/2. And this is more than 1/2. So automatically D is out because we compared it to A and A is smaller and we're looking for the smallest. Alright, now look at C. C is also more than 1/2 because 1/2 of, 1 in this situation is 4/8, not 5/8, so that's more than half. So C is also out. Now let's look at B. B, 5 is an odd number, so it's a little harder to divide, but it's 2.5. And 2.5 and 3. 3 is more than 2.5 because, it's a 2. So that means that B is also more than half. A is just half, so B is also out. So the correct answer is A. Now our last question right now is which fraction is between 1/2 and 4/5? So then again, we look at said answer choices. And we have 6/15, 5/14, 7/10, and 9/10. So let's do a little comparing method here. So you have 1/2 and 4/5. So between, so this should be bigger and this should be smaller. So we can actually turn the denominator and numerator. This is what you do to the bottom is what you do to the top. So the least common multiple of 2 and 5 is 10. So let's put 10 down here. And 2 multiplied by 5 is 10, so the top is turned to 5. And 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, so 4 is turned to 8. Because they're all multiplied by 2, up and down. So we've got to find something between 5/10 and 8/10. And let's look at the bottom over here, because these two are both tenths. 9/10 is too big because it's more than 8/10, which is our maximum here, so it's not D. But 7/10 is right in the middle. Well, not right in the middle. There's also a 6/10 over here, which you're literally just crying. But, yeah. So the correct answer is 7/10 because we don't have a 6/10. And it's right between 5/10 and 8/10. In a test, to save time, you just cross them out because if this one you know fits. I hope this video helped, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!